Our next topic is converting decimal fractions into decimal. We already know that the decimal fraction is a fractions with denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. That means one followed by zeros. Here 36 by 100 is an example of decimal fraction. 1 by 10 is a decimal fraction. Then next 68 by 1000. These fractions are called decimal fraction. How do we convert this decimal fraction into decimal number? Here, first we have to count the zeros in the denominator. How much zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. We have to move 2 places forward and put decimal point. Here 36. Then 0. There is no number here, so we can write here 0. 0.36 is the corresponding decimal number. Okay. Next 1 by 10. How much zeros are there in 10? 1 0. So we have to move 1 place forward. So this is 0.1. Next 68 by 1000. How much zeros are here? 3 zeros. But here 68 only 2 places. So write 68, then 1 0, 0.068 is the decimal number. Okay. Next, example 1. Convert into decimal. A 23 by 10. As there are 1 0 in the denominator, so we have to count 1 place from 3. We place the decimal point after counting 1 place starting from 3. So the answer is 2.3. Okay, here 1 0 is there in 10. So we have to move 1 place forward and place the decimal point. Clear? Next, 48 by 100. How much zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. So we have to move 2 places forward. Place the decimal point. There is no whole number part, so we have to write here 0. Okay. Next, C 15 by 1000. Here in the denominator 3 zeros are there, so we have to move 3 places forward. So, but here only 2 places in the numerator, so write 0 here in the left side of the numerator. Then 0, 0.015 is the corresponding decimal number. Okay. Next example. Convert the following decimal number to fractions in the simplest form. Okay. First one is 0.8. We can write 8 as numerator, and how much places are here? After the decimal point, 1 place. So 10. Clear? 8 by 10. Both numbers are even numbers. We can divide both sides by 2. 8 divided by 2, 4, and 10 divided by 2, 5. 4 by 5. There is no common factor between 4 and 5. So, 4 by 5 is the simplest form. Clear? Second, 1.21. 121 divided by 100. There is no common factor in 121 and 100. So this is the simplest form. Clear? Next, see 6.025. 6025 by 100. How much places here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros, 1000. Clear? Both are divisible by 5. Here ends with 0, here ends with 5. Divisibility test, you have to remember that. Then we can cut both sides by 5. Here in 6, 1, 5. In 10, 2 5s. In 2 there is no 5, so write here 0. In 25, 5 5s are 25. Okay. In 10, 2 5s are 10. In 0, 0 times 0 times. So 1205 by 200. Again, both sides are divisible by 5. Clear? In 12, 2 5s are 10. In 20, here balance is 2. 0 become 20. In 20, 4 times 5s are there. Next, in 5, 1 time. In 200, in 24 times and 0. The simplest form is 241 by 40. There is no common factor in 241 and 40. Clear? Next, converting decimals to fractions. Convert the following decimal numbers to fractions in the simplest form. Here, a 3.5. 3.5 is a decimal number. That decimal number we have to convert into a fraction. To convert a decimal number into a fraction, first we have to change it into decimal fraction. Okay? Here, 35 by 3.5 equals 35 by, how do we write this decimal fraction? Write the numerator as the number, ignoring the decimal point. 35 by, how much places are here after the decimal point? 1 place. So write 10. 35 by 10. Next, 35 by 10 is a multiple of 5. That means both divisible by 5. We can divide 35 by 5 and 10 divided by 5. 5 is a common factor of 35 and 10. So, how much time 5s are there in 35? 7 times. 7 5s are 35. In 10, 2. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means 7 divided by 2. How much times 2s are there in 7? 3 2s are 6. 1. So, 3 1 by 2 is the simplest form. Okay. Next, 2.56. First we have to write the numbers 256 as the numerator by 100. How much places are here? After the decimal point, 2 places. So by 100. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. Why? Both are even numbers. So both sides divisible by 2. We can cut like this. In 2, how much 2's are there? 1. In 5, 2 2's are 4. In 16, 8 2's are 16. Okay. Then in 10, how much 2's are there? 5. In 0, 0, 50. So 128 by 50. Again we can divide both sides by 2. Why? Both are even numbers. So we can divide both sides by 2. In 12, how much 2's are there? 6 2's are 12. In 8, 4 2's are 8. In 5, 2 2's are 4. 2 2's are 4. In 10, 5 2's are 10. So 64 by 25. 64 and 25. There is no common factor. So this is the simplest form, 64 by 25. We can convert it into mixed fraction. 64 divided by 25. 2 25s are 50. 2 times 25 is 50. 4, 1. So, which is equals to 14 by 25 is the simplest form. Okay? 14 by 25. Next is C, 6.25. 6.25, 625 as write as denominator. By how much places are here? After the decimal point, 2 places. So we have to write 2 zeros. So 625 by 100. Both are divisible by 5. Here 625 ends with 5 and 100 ends with 0. So both are divisible by 5. How much times 5's are there in 6? 1 time. In 12, 2 5's are 10. In 25, 5 5's are 25. In 100, 2 times are 10. 5's are there in 10, 0. 125 by 20. Again, both numbers are divisible by 5. In 12, 2 5's are 10. In 25, 5. In 24 times. 25 by 4. There is no common factor. So we can divide 25 by 4. 5 4's are 20. 6 4's are 24. 6 times 4's are there. 6 4's are 24. 1. So the answer is 6 1 by 4. Okay.